Have you ever dreamed of receiving something truly epic for Christmas, something so massive and rugged that it could only be described as legendary? Well, if your idea of a perfect holiday gift involves conquering the great outdoors in style and power, look no further than the Apocalypse Alpha Raptor, a monstrous off-road vehicle that delivers an unforgettable experience. Created by Apocalypse Manufacturing, a Florida-based company famous for its over-the-top 6x6 vehicles, the Alpha Raptor is the next level of off-road dominance, and it's ready to make any adventurer's holiday wish come true. Apocalypse Manufacturing is no stranger to extreme vehicles. Known for their wild creations like the Juggernaut, Darkhorse, and Warlord, these guys design machines that are as ready for the apocalypse as they are for any off-road terrain. They've worked their magic on popular models like the Jeep Gladiator, Ford Bronco, and Ram 1500 TRX, but the Alpha Raptor is a bold leap forward. Based on the 2024 Ford F-150 Raptor, this truck is not just about looks, it's about sheer, unbridled power. Under the hood, the Alpha Raptor features a 5.2-liter supercharged V8 engine that delivers an awe-inspiring 720 horsepower and 640 lb-ft of torque. Whether you're charging through desert dunes, powering up muddy hills, or blasting through rocky mountain trails, this truck offers unmatched performance. But raw power is just the beginning. Apocalypse has taken this Raptor to new heights with custom modifications that elevate both its performance and visual presence. One of the most striking features of the Alpha Raptor is its aggressive stance. Apocalypse has outfitted this beast with 40-inch all-terrain tires, gold aftermarket wheels, and a substantial lift kit, giving it a commanding presence on any surface. The rugged steel bumpers and rock rails provide the durability needed to tackle tough environments, while LED lights ensure that the truck makes a statement even in low visibility. The truck's exterior is designed to be nothing short of intimidating. With custom body panels, wide wheel arches, and a bold front end, the Alpha Raptor looks like it's ready to charge into battle, whether that battle is against nature's toughest obstacles or the eyes of jealous onlookers. It's a vehicle that refuses to be ignored, demanding attention wherever it goes. Now, for the big question, how much does this ultimate off-road machine cost? $179,999. Yes, you read that correctly. It's a steep price, but for those who want the most extreme off-road experience money can buy, it's an investment that promises jaw-dropping power, unrivaled performance, and one of the most visually stunning trucks on the market. For that hefty sum, you're not just getting a truck, you're getting an experience. From the roar of the supercharged V8 to the adrenaline rush of dominating any trail, the Alpha Raptor is designed for those who demand nothing less than the best. It's a truck that doesn't just look good, it delivers, with performance that matches its aggressive design. So, why would anyone want a vehicle like the Alpha Raptor? The answer is simple: adventure. Apocalypse Manufacturing has honed its craft to cater to a select group of enthusiasts who live for the thrill of the ride. Whether you're taking on a dirt trail, cruising through sand dunes, or navigating a rocky off-road path, the Alpha Raptor is built to conquer it all. But it's not just about performance, it's about being the king of the off-road world, and this truck guarantees you'll turn heads wherever you go. Its aggressive design and high-performance specs make it the perfect vehicle for those who love extreme adventures and want a truck that matches their passion. The Alpha Raptor isn't just a means of transportation, it's a lifestyle, a statement that says you don't follow the road, you dominate it. With only a handful of these Alpha Raptors being built, it's a rare commodity. Apocalypse's vehicles are not mass-produced, and the Alpha Raptor continues the tradition of exclusivity. While the Omega Rex, a similar variant based on the Ram 1500 TRX, will be phased out soon as the Ram 1500 TRX is discontinued in 2025, the Alpha Raptor will continue to hold its ground. Ford's commitment to high-performance trucks ensures that this machine will remain a force in the off-road world for years to come. So, what's the verdict? If you're looking to truly make this holiday season unforgettable, the Apocalypse Alpha Raptor is the gift that delivers in both power and prestige. With its jaw-dropping price tag, cutting-edge design, and heart-pounding performance, this off-road beast isn't for the faint of heart, but for those who dare to dream big and live larger. It's the ultimate expression of adventure, luxury, and performance. This holiday season, don't settle for just any gift, give the gift of adventure, and make sure your Christmas is unforgettable. Just be sure you have the space for this monster under your tree, or maybe you can leave it parked in your driveway instead. Either way, the Alpha Raptor is ready to dominate the trails, and your holiday season, too.